what are those chompers? Juicy ass, thick ass up.
What did he say?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to stuff I'm gonna be getting on my car. It'll be screen recorded, so you'll know if what I'm listening to and what I'm looking at. Alright, let's get started. Alright, and we're back. First, we're going to be looking at, is the competition package worth it? Alright, here we go. I really like the fucking carbon fiber roof. A lot of BMW has its best sports packaging wheels. Damn, what to his fucking face? Let me stop being mean.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video here on the Simply Car Things YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in, as always. And before we get into today's video, if you could go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. I would appreciate it immensely. It just helps the YouTube algorithm reach a... So let's not waste any more time and let's get right into it. Sorry, I had to just give this thing a little pull. Anyway, what does the competition package include specifically for the F80 and the F82? Well, it included revised suspension from the ground up. So the competition package only comes with the EDC or M adaptive suspension, which has revised damper tuning. The spring rates have also been revised, and the anti-roll bars, or the sway bars as we call them here in the US, have also been revised quite a bit. The Active M limited slip differential, along with the car's DSC or traction control system, has...
Wait, let's go back. Let's take a moment and admire this. This shit looks clean. The Alpine white on the F82. It's fucking nice. It's a nice color. I ain't gonna lie. I like the white. If you're not gonna wrap or anything, I would go white, or I'll go to black, or the individual little Laguna Seca blue. That's the other one I would go to, or fire orange. Where's a lot I would go? Any individual color or the white and black. That's really it.
A little bit unsettled. They can feel a little bit unpredictable with the back end at times as well. And part of the competition package aim was to sort of, quell some of those issues per se with the traction of this car. And adding on to the suspension and diff tuning, there's also been an increase in the horsepower of the vehicle. So the standard M3 and M4 makes 425 horsepower, 406 pound-feet of torque. The competition package model basically increased that power figure to approximately 444 horsepower, and the torque figure stayed the same because, as we all know, these cars, they really have no shortage in torque. So that equates to a 0 to 60 difference from roughly 4.1, 4.2 seconds with the standard car to about 3.9 to 4 seconds. It's a big difference, right? And ultimately it comes down to your tires, the conditions of the launch that you're doing, and a number of other factors, but I thought I'd throw that in as a quick mention. Some of the other competition package differences or additions included the high gloss trim, or the shadowline trim as many others would call it. So gloss black exterior elements, the kidney grills, the little side M4 puts the power down a little bit better. It just feels a little more athletic, and it looks better too, in my opinion, especially with those really nice wheels. Sounds a little better too. But again, this is kind of where it comes down to whether or not it's worth it. If you're the type of person that is going to be modifying the crap out of your M3 or M4, you want to put a full-on exhaust system, you want to tune it, upgrade turbos, downpipes, put coilovers on it, you want to track it, roll race, whatever the case is, you don't need a competition package car, because the aftermarket support that is available to these cars is virtually endless, and it will basically fix any of those.
I'll just get the fucking base then, since I'm gonna be modifying it anyway. Alright, say like the video at the beginning, I'll do that for you. There you go. And that was Simply Car Things is the competition package Ugh. Package worth it.
What the fuck is that?
BMW F8X M3 M4. Now let's get to the next video. Let's see. Go new Valtron.
Expedia members get member prices and rewards for future trips.
Are you feeling stuck with $10,000 or more in debt and
Basically,
all
I'm
the
just going
interest
through
that comes
videos
with
and
it?
seeing
Try
what
National
shit
Debt
would
Relief.
look like,
As seen on the
sound like, and everything, what else I can do. Here, let me get back into it.
Okay, today we have the brand new Valvetronic exhaust that they just released.
Yeah, this is their V2 equal link to single setup. Also has an H-pipe.
Exhaust that they just released.
Yeah, this is their V2 equal link.
Exhaust that they just released.
Yeah, this is their.
Damn, that's a big ass shit. God damn. About the size of my. Never mind, let's forget about that.
What did he say?
Let's go back to
V2 equal link to single setup. Also has an H-pipes for the F80 and F82. I am stoked to hear this. The S55 is renowned for not sounding the greatest. Having a combination of the single mid pipe and the equal link all built in, I'm excited. Let's see what we got. We don't need that. We opted for burnt tips on this one.
Nice.
The car's already got an aftermarket exhaust on it. We just decided to go something a little different. And yeah, sound-wise is what I'm the most excited about.
So, we haven't been able to find too many sound clips of this exhaust installed since it's just released.
Hope you guys like it. Hope it sounds as good as our excitement leads up for.
He did.
G80 and liked it. Oh, on this section. Part of it that I really enjoy for the single mid pipe, so they treat.
Surprised they like re-released.
I think these were redesigned too. Alright, so the exhaust is like 3/4 of the way on. We stopped with the rear section because we had to pull all the old valve wiring out, get rid of that. Valvetronic extends theirs. I've already kind of the length of the cab. Personally, I don't like doing that. And then on the F80s, just flip it off. I'll wire in a fuse tap. It'll plug in over here and then corner. And then we'll pull out the slack. I will mount the box.
Ooh, that shit look nice. Okay.
Okay, so the muffler's on, and we're gonna do the first start.
I mean, Valtron. Y'all want to sponsor this build? Probably not even this is, but if y'all want to sponsor this build, y'all want to send me an exhaust, just let me know. Business emails in the description, and my IG inbox is open. It's not too stupid. Ain't all that's nice.
It definitely sounds deeper in the cab than.
It still sounds good, but it's close to. Not too bad. Let me see. Basic. You know what, this car looks fucking disgusting. This shit is nice. That shit is- Come on, this is what I've been waiting for, dude. Fucking acceleration. Okay. Me mucking that shit. Okay. Don't know why, but it's gonna make me proud. to die. Yeah. Okay, that's it for that. If y'all liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe and like. Why not? Don't cost anything. Ain't like I'm charging you for it. Might as well just do it. Stop playing with your boy. We trying to hit 1K and we're like, I believe 180 away. So you might as well just do it for me. Get there in no time. Let's get back to this video. Crazy. Okay.
Before we get into today's video, a lot of BMWs in the past, and the full LED element.
Let's get it. Ready? Oh yeah. Oh. That would have looked nice. And I'm gonna black out the grills. They're not already blacked out. What's the point of that? Then I make sure you change your spark plugs. And I gotta check. I'll make sure I change out the LED module and the DRLs. I'll probably do like I think I was doing amber, I believe. I might go LED too. That's disgusting. Wow. Yeah, I can tell. I gotta get rid of those blue buttons. That was disgusting. Sweat ass sprint, Scott. Taking out the dashboard. Simple. Got some go ass speakers. We're gonna go blast that. Like, yeah, boy, what are those chompers? Juicy ass, thick ass up.
What did he say?
What are those chompers? Juicy ass, thick ass up. Ha! Gay! No Diddy, pause, no Diddy.
They're legally robbing you. And it's happening every time you pay for car insurance. Here's the deal. A big chunk.
HREs. I love some HREs. It's so fucking cool. Especially the carbon fiber mirror caps. I got powder coated. See the bonds goes for that. So whoever did his roller, hit me up. Ain't gonna lie, those shits are fucking clean. That was fucking disgusting. I need those for the reveal day. I can take my own pictures, but the rollers, nasty. Yeah, that's what I want to change. I want to do RGB. That's everyone has it. I don't know what the fuck it is. I ain't gonna say shit. I think it's a cooler.
Go to work, catless downpipes.
Sexy. Why that make me? Shit is fucking sexy. F80 ho. Give me a high. Yeah, ho did his shit. This one. That's the end results. Got me wet a little. Fuck with you. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Push that blue polish up first. What's that? Thank God he changed out these. Cause them blue are fucking ugly as shit. He ain't changed this, but it's just my opinion. I don't like them. I'd rather have them gray than colored. It was better. But it's his car, so I can say shit. Alright, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, like, subscribe. Comment in this little, go in the comments to tell me what y'all want to see next. And make sure to let Beamer plug SoCal Motorsport Sports NRP. I'm looking for a sponsor. Description, business emails in the description. You can comment, email, DM on IG or anything. All the shit's in the description. Just let me know. Trying to get a sponsor on pretty much everything. You know why? Because them parts are fucking expensive. They ain't that expensive, but why would I spend money? I can save it. And yeah, we out here. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.